Hi everyone, today we're drawing a parrot. First, let's draw a circle for the head, now add the eyes. Next, draw the body. Let's draw the wings. Now add a tail. Draw a foot and a branch for the parrot to stand on. Don't forget the beak. Now it's time to color. Take a green pencil and color the body and head. Also color part of the tail green. Use a pink pencil to color part of the wing. Now color the other part of the wing and tail with blue. Color the tips of the tail feathers yellow. Also use yellow for the third part of the wing. Color the beak red. And finally, use brown to color the branch. All done. Our parrot is ready. Thanks for drawing with me. Bye bye.